Thinking of how to get bulk cell phone numbers from any country for target marketing? This video is for you. My name is Sylvic and you are welcome to Site Systems, where we teach you exactly how to grow your business online. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install this powerful software that you can use to extract bulk cell phone numbers from any country. Let's begin with the installation process. First, you need to turn off the internet connection on your system. Okay, disconnect. Then next, you need to turn off the Windows firewall if you are using Windows 7, or Windows Defender if you are using Windows 10. So we're going to turn off the security of this laptop. Okay, you can see this is already turned off. So I'm just going to skip this very process then and extract the downloaded Sky phone extractor onto my desktop. Okay, I just have to extract this WinRAR folder. Okay, extract here. You right click on it to extract. Then this is the folder I just extracted. So I'll double click on it, need to open. Once you open it, you'll find the setup file inside it and the patch file. So you double click on the setup file to install. Okay, click on next, agree, install. All right, once you are done installing it, you have to uncheck this very box where you can see run Sky phone extractor. Uncheck the box, then click on finish. All right, now you have to open the patch folder, then copy the file inside the folder. Okay, just right click on it, then scroll down to copy. Now go to your desktop where you have the shortcut of the installed program. All right, so you just right click on it, then click on open file location. Now you have to replace the Sky phone extractor inside this folder with a patch file you just copied. So you right click on it and paste. Okay, just paste it here. All right, copy and replace, click on it, then you click on continue. All right, so you're all done. You can go to desktop and open the installed program now. Okay, once you open the installed program, at the top left you can find out that we have Sky phone extractor registered version. Okay, so you can go ahead and turn on your internet. All right, in our next video, I'm going to be showing you how to use this software to extract phone numbers from any country. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our future video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.